yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes. Oh yes, my beautiful people in the house, in the building. Oh yes, first of all, I greet everybody. I greet my reference. I greet everybody in the house. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, I greet and appreciate my love for supporting me, for being there for me, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. All my reference, all my real people, I greet you all. I greet you all. I appreciate you all for supporting me. I thank you all. I thank you all, everybody. Oh yes. How do I look, guys? So now, so my beautiful people, today we'll get to get matter. I want to use my touch today. And first of all, before we go start, I want to talk to Lolo first, because una know me, my real fans, my real people. If you don't come close to me, I don't come close to you. If you don't near me with your reggae, I don't disturb your blues. If you not call if you not come disturb my reggae, no go use your reggae come take disturb my blues when I suffer dey enjoy. I don't know whether you dey exist. That is me for you. I do my things jejeje the way I want them. I don't have time for prognosing, carry mouth fufu. No, I don't have that time. I always stay on my side and stay on my lane. So wetin I want to talk today, because there is a video I did day before yesterday when I sent message to this lady called Iyori, one of Paris. If you are listening to that video, now go see say I no insult her for them. That is me for you. I know they insult too senior me, except that's you no respect his or herself. You understand me? Iyori never get wetin she do me, and I just only send that message that she should know the kind of person wey Lolo be. That video, I no insult Iyori, I no throw anything insultive word say as e be, or I tell am wetin no good. No. Whether some people here dey pain, and also those people na the enemy of progress people, whether here dey pain them, I no know for them, because I didn't insult Iyori for them. I didn't say anything bad word, as in use bad word for person, because I wonder why some people go there, they no go mind their business, they no go mind wetin concern them, they no go mind wetin concern them, my people. Because as I dey so, I know dey find person, but if you find me, you already wait for me. Na it be me and Lolo also, because some people there now they pretend as if they don't know wetin Lolo do me last year April. If you know say the matter no let you talk, take shippy and relax your head. Because I wonder why some people there now they carry matter. I know insult Ijori for that. You know, besides they fear person. If you not near me, I know they near you. If you respect yourself, I they respect you. I always said that message day before yesterday, that make Iyori know the kind of person wey Lolo be. Because Lolo is a great snake under the green grass. Her own matter, you know, the man her whole business. She's a evil and demonic spirit. They follow her up and down. And those people, when they call they write rubbish for my worst, for my mess, for my video when I say a message to you. See, make I tell you one thing. We be say, you not understand. As me dey so, if you know say you know the fear Vera, if you know say your papa and your mama born you well, you no be bastard. They born you well, you be picking. If you want come to me straight. If you want talk or you want write anything, just show your face. No need for you to dey hide up and down. They use fake account, make them no know. If you know say you know the fear Vera, just write or call me on WhatsApp with your face, with your video call or your real picture on WhatsApp. Then me you know what I go fit do you. You understand? Because I wonder why some people they don't go mind their business. When Lolo they do my own last year, many people did that they clap am for Lolo. I don't mark your name, I don't mark am bad until you go enter 0% before I go leave you. Una 4 until una go enter 0%, because one una they do, because una be different people. Now make people they say I not get topic. But one una they do only me one. I don't say me no go. I go use now do topic of 3 years for not take time. I go do not to na battery go run. Not be the day and get when this side they talk. That 1% that they run down was I'll make sure say I deal with you. Next time before you will come to me, you go know say yes, this woman she get her seated there. Because I don't feel do on my own, you will carry your own matter, cut they disturb me. Carry your own cut they worry me when I'm not near you. You understand? So those people when they call they comment like one when the be say she writes me yesterday, you know yourself, you live in France. Today I will be on live video. That your number. I'm going to post it and I will share it for good 2 weeks. That your number. You live in France. You do and when you come out up. If you know they fear, why you come out your picture? Why you write and finish, you block me. That your number. I'm going to publish and the punishment when I give for all those useless people that. If you write me on WhatsApp or you call me and talk rubbish, your number will be on here. I will post out. So you when he writes me yesterday, you live in France, I shower when don't get shame. Just look at Lolo for and this message is for Lolo followers. One of they talk now say Monica. Una they talk Lolo on. Okay, when Lolo call the time Monica says now she's supposed to sit down for that post. Now she's supposed to where Monica did. Una not fit ask her the reason why. Okay, all those matter now nothing Lolo don't do. Lolo not get anything way for do bad. He not get way for do bad. Okay, she not get way for do bad. How come she come and go the video her friends keep? They record her friend, the video her friends keep. If you are a good friend, you don't have any evil agenda. Why will you video your friend and keep it? Quarrel never even call it publisher. Now that one God will take punish Lolo. You say you buy house, you buy house. Now so they say you first do how many years ago? You buy house and yes, house help you buy. Una don't see go rent house for you to see reach UK. May you hide yourself or by yourself, Lolekia. For you to hide yourself now, you come out now. You go the show say now so you buy house. Now so your man buy house. House where your man not buy. You dey say now so your man buy house. So now so you buy house. So bring the documents where they buy house come outside. If you both. Bring and come outside, idiot and fellow human useless human being. Because as I did so, I'm not the fine person. If you know you don't need my gbege, not near me, not carry your reggae, come to disturb my blues. Because this message is for Lolo followers. You understand me? And this video is going to my pursue the Enter House TV. Disgrace go they meet Sunasite, they meet Lolo and the useless, shameless are shower when not the shit. See that one now they happy saying and so you don't monetize. You see? When I go pretend and say what person they do now not like them. Now they pretend say what person they do now not like ordinary monetize. They pop champagne, they happy. Monetize when I don't monetize since last year. You never even ready to see penny. Me don't they collect money for YouTube. When me monetize now since last year I monetize. You all now turn mad, una see useless sisters. Una see jealousy family. She monetize now. Never even got to 100,000. She don't they shout, they happy. Can you see? And the reason why this useless situation when not the shame when they spend and shower when come on say Maro Yubo, they sleepy around. The useless when call itself Sarah. Go see. Why he be say she vex for Monica because he want to promoter. Maybe she tell Monica, make Monica promoter the useless call itself useless sister or shameless sister but only monetize now don't they mad for you to be see you. You are not even up to 200,000 dollars of getting to near 1 million. You see, say I still pass now. Upon the nya now come make me even blow, now come even make people know me. You see then? Come on monetize now. A person come in for say your sister, your the man I say, don't repeat that. I don't have sister. If they mad because of monetize. Oh Maro, you both be that, but me no Maro, you both see my class. I'm not now me to say. Some Maro you book they get luck. See this one as useless and shameless of Ibo na marry. Although you put when you remove her womb, when be say na Gambia, Guinea, all of them, they call the fuck they go for different country up and down. Because so you both give a house, the house because use Anton hotel. Now Oduwa, the first boy when he shopping money for Spain there Oduwa. The second one Saiti, the third one Osaro. She know they it call all those one again. When he give money, when he buy motor give because person when they spend money for man, I know say person who they spend money for man, I they say they take on that person they spend money for man. They useless it to her so now do what fair your shop. He get one boy when he be say Agbo boy Kenneth. Even that Kenneth, this brother know and we call brother I fair we God go bless. He say when he to a call for pizza matter, now she say no say Kenneth na it to her. Say that time to they send am money for your account. They mean they give Kenneth. Una see. Maybe they give Kenneth because Kenneth not get account that time. Now a fair account now to they put money fly from Spain. fair account say it one dey put money. He say it one come introduce herself say na him be that girl dey put money for your account make they ever give agbo boy Kenneth. You see them, you just see them and then they say me they give man money. Ask me where for the work. Me they work when I get work when I dey work when I dey give man money. Where me forgot they see money and they give man small thing and they get for nothing they buy cloth they maintain myself. So where me forgot they see money when me they give man, you see them. Person you come and say useless bait and you dey mad or something naked, they throw away pants. So you see them, maybe to attend Monica got that yes ma, because they follow Monica, yes ma, you know this life, that ain't making. I appreciate the way God take the disgrace all my enemies, God take the fight for me. It be like same because now he carry matter go give Monica sit down oh no, and Monica head go they kill them one after the other. Because after he don't bring Monica come outside, make Monica be bad person. She get Facebook the useless barren when he call it say useless it one way not born. It one say she get belle. I cut on that. If you say she get belle, if you get belle, do the test for live video. You they do everything for live video now. For you, if you not exchange your womb for house, I can't exchange my womb for house. I cannot, if I like I born, if you take it, that is my own cup of tea. I cannot exchange my womb because of house. Because tomorrow when we say my name, not even take that house, tomorrow that man can come and say that house I bought it with my name. I just want you to stay there. He can say not buy it for me, you cannot get what I want to put. I cannot exchange my womb for house, my beautiful people. I not go feel exchange. They say like on a man they take care of Pekin, nah? Because of jealousy, just for them to push me inside. See the one another the mad. My fans for you can say, see, oh, though they mad for social media, whether they first, that be 4 days. I don't know, if you say day before, that be which day. Say she they mad for there. Go they beg Lolo, me Lolo help and share and put for a community. See, me are not same person. Me not person to help me to promote me. That's why the hatred when she get for Monica did useless it to her. I know. Me before Abraham they were made the leg when you work out for me. I don't know if I see you, I don't read you. Maybe she go beg Monica, make Monica promote her. If I say Monica refuse, say no go fit promote you. But now this say your sister, now you say no fit take away, take carry matter, can't give me. How come now you go say make me promote me? If people can't see me, they promote you. Now wait till you say me they talk about me. Maybe now wait till make Monica not promote it. Because she dey found one promoter, she not can't even see. Now she buy nickel for Facebook. I'm selling waist trainer in the name of waist trainer. I'm selling waist trainer. Look at the life. You go see get man talk to me after many children. Look at the way I look as I be. I look sweet. If you talk of shape, everything, let's come out. One, you never carry belle for 9 months. See get man they talk to me. Who give woman belle no say go fit take care of pikin. Okay. And you the useless, you carry a Kenneth enter house. You carry Juliet. A shower when not the shall not do a shower take give man. I not do a shower take feed family of man. You use a shower feed or do what? And the mama and the children. If I like, bring a little paper come. I was aware. The useless to her when they talk. So when say me enter abroad, she can't they give the children money. Can't use your life, they swear. You don't forget what you achieved before. Has for how many years you not fit go, nothing you fit do, nothing. Do you abroad? Me first two. The first thing know me pass you. So wait till you want tell me. You marry Ibo, not the boy they show your man. As soon as do rich, you bring my man, come and say you bring your man. Let's see. Your man never enter motor one day. Me or Ibo, me go marry or Ibo no go get car. You go marry or Ibo no go. You not don't see to her with him, man. You not don't see to her with him, man. Say I marry, I'm a wife. I'm a wife. You are a wife. You can't you show the rest women when marry Ibo they show their husband now. Many of our beautiful women when we say they marry Ibo, they say they for Facebook or YouTube. Why can't you show your own? Because of laughing stock. Because after your shower you do this, the old shameless or Ibo man when you go end up with. When the man say you must remove your womb until before you go buy house, he can't remove your womb. At the end, they never get document that or you not use the name, say buy house, they don't put in name, or you can't put your own name. When she don't get document, when he calls me the man, the first the Oyibo man make a marry her, or you don't marry her, you don't get document, you say no, if you change the name to the change the house to a name again. Say make it live and then make it did the first. So now you can't get mad, they talk to me. Exchange your womb because of house. Me, I don't feel exchange my womb because of house. As me then, I don't know what me they do. You never know. You don't know. You don't know where me don't work carriage. So if na has be your problem, not be my problem. You understand? For you to come on, go they change house. Now you go see get mad they talk. You will never feed yourself or do what? In mama. I know in mama has for bongo that time. In mama and the two oduwa, two should oduwa. If I lie, you just spend there. Uno oduwa. He go feed the mama. He go two pikin. Oduwa get two. Better one boy, one girl. Be two girls for Nigeria. Now this useless it one they take care. You gonna get mad? They talk to me. Now this it one they take care of oduwa mama and the two children. Everything it was the same luggage. Now oduwa mama is the same give. Because you not see black responsible black man will put you for us. I don't do a shower no man. But the rest people, many people do a shower, they use and do better thing. A shower way to her do useless and shameless it all. Nothing use and do. After he come out for do one do a can't dump her like barrel because she not get character. Or do a come out, he go give her he marry another woman. The woman don't born for Spain then. Because he come out go meet boy that they call Osaitin. She's Osaitin still this Spain there. Now Osaitin use and dump and use and come buy motor. My man when he dey drive, so na money to do driving license. Come my city, come ask. He dey work. Yeah. He work, he pay. He buy motor, he pay, he work. He do insurance, he pay. He do fast share abi tax abi what they call am, he pay. One year now answer. One year now he pay. Come ask. Me no dey talk with him. Come my city, come ask. Insurance what my man do is 1 year. Tax when they pay 1 year. Now he pay because he just pay for grant because he works so hard. They not ask and say where for some money because he they work now and money. Okay. Next year now January next year now be in February go see pay 1 year again. They pay for one so that you get peace. So you can't get mad. They talk to me. You can't get mad. They talk to me. I deal with responsible man. Okay, you marry Oyibo, you know if they show you Oyibo. You not see my man. Many of you not see my man. If you not see her, go and start touch, you go see my man. They go the one that they call Coco, they call her Jennifer. You see my man there. Go do I'm gonna go check her, is there. You when you say you begin, I make my beautiful women out there. Not the person tell you say because you don't feel born, no go see good man. No. It can be where you felt there, you be not there your mind to come up, but the way they treat you, they will take maybe if you live there, you will not see, you will not have a good life. Though you not go even know say they are the one wasting your life and wasting your destiny. Only one thing when I want to assure our beautiful women out there, be good in anywhere you are. If you that man has be nice, not plan evil, not find where to bring that man down. Follow him with all your heart. All your heart. God is evil, is watching you. When you follow him with all your heart, they can't do you like tell him when not clear because they say you not go one fight for you, my dear. When you live there, God is going to bless you more triple times. That be my own. I'm a living testimony. Yeah. When me come up for that, they say now only then I be orphan and omega. I live there more than 3 years before I come my brother. I live well. Okay. Same man when I consider with now. Now man when he go school pass, man when he young pass, man when he know what's up pass, man when he know everything pass, is the one that make me popular now. Maybe now they're my enemy. They maybe by now before I go for talking my enemy or stress. Maybe nobody go for one evil to say I be this person's sister now. So my sister, you are in this Europe anywhere you are. Not say you don't born, you get picking because say man call they do you paka. So far not say they do. Not believe you want to be mad. This one no. If you leave such a place, maybe man they do good for you. Maybe man they take care of you, they do good for you because you not love and they do a paka. No. Not do a paka. Follow her. Mona or leave her. Give her the space to leave her the space. You two will love her later. It be like that sometimes because some women they will be say they don't love one, they do a pack no matter what the man will do for her, they do a pack one because they say after all different men they are say when you leave such marriage or you leave such relationship, the one you are going to meet that will be a hair in your life. That one it will make you regret all the days of your life. Because not let be our portion. It will make that person regret because you punish that person. But when you did not punish that person is punishing. It's both sides, both men and women. Take it or leave it. If you not punish woman they punish you. He say he wan leave you because say he hide there outside. Leave and make it go. The one wey God will give you, it will be better than that one. And it's you as a woman, because you dey use your heart, they follow the man, the family, they use you, they oppress you one or two way. It be not there your mind to live there, but when it can't be, may you not go die. Now you can't take come. God see your heart. You will see where God will prepare for you. You say it will be paradise. So now be the jealous, all of them are jealous in me. Nami last come here. But if you talk who do well past them, Nami. If you talk who they find no for this social media, Nami. Because they know me, they find where to bring me that see and now come on monetize. Come on monetize. So my second YouTube channel for sure the entire house now is getting almost nearly to our own first channel. It's not even up to 100,000. The useless Sarah call itself it. You are not even up to 100,000. You want mad, you see? That is the reason why I tell you, my people, when you have disease, say this is what I want to do. Or you see your husband, your wife support you, say, do this thing, do it. Do it. Don't listen to side talk. No. Because they want to look for a way to drop you so that they will move on. They will continue for where you stop. Don't relent. Don't drop for anybody. Don't look who she face. No matter what they talk. You know, people will go see my own, my beautiful people out there. When I go see my own for social media, they make me become, because why? Because of jealousy. But when I come on YouTube, I didn't look for a place. It told her when she they talk, so the useless a shower because I not do a shower. You say, now you go see some women for abroad. Leave your man. If you deal with man, not go get money. Leave your man, me go find money. I pity you now. In the evening, when time go reach, you will talk what you use your life for. If the time don't reach, you will come talk the useless and shameless life you live way back. At the end, even your pikin will use your toto born no go respect you. You are smart as woman. You have to stand on your word. Fine. Many people come abroad, they do a shishi, they do a shower. No man. And not everybody will see call this abroad. Not be do a shower. Plenty. When it they don't know road walk. Without a green light, as me they so. They don't find meditate. They didn't get commode. The useless it one. I know when I go breathe. When they go breathe, the one where they ask for, because they don't see their shower use against me, or maybe they see my TOT show. Say, "Mona see they avoid people. Mona see a shower." They don't see. So they was not having anything to use against me for this abroad. You know they go say what they go do. May they go naked them bring come. At the end, what did it taste for me? Now me get them. Man, we're not ready to take care. You cannot give woman belly. You know, so you go fit take care. Now make you give woman belly born. And at the opportunity when they tell our women, my women out there, if you know what is really good, follow man, we go fit take care. If you be say they give you belly, you born for you go fit take care, and then give you those belly. Because I just see some women for abroad, many don't hold, many don't turn yeah. At the end, your pikin when you see go for abroad, you go see no one to take do a shower all the way you take come for abroad. Respect no do. If they just say me your born, many people they be barren. We know what's called barren. When many they this social did to her tuna barren when it be say agan. We know what is called agan. They open my mouth talking because anybody, my beautiful women, will go cause pikin when I use my TOT table. Now, what you see that person body, now you sit and laugh you. Because your own is more worse than mine. Because even if I don't even give them penny, as soon as talk says is when I take home, those children have their own life to live. Tomorrow, even though you as a barren to her when you not born, so those children can never call you mommy. Okay, they record everything and see them what they talk. You'll see here that mommy they see they call me. Because me when if you struggle as a woman, struggle my life come abroad, the man will sit back and be waiting for a woman when he don't say abroad make it. I pity some women. Will be say they just live, make men just they use them. Man can never use me, not at all. Ask me at the one with me and I got that they asked today, my sweetheart, my honey. Ask me and they ask. If you just tell me say in the commodity they go so country, I go tell and say, ask me and you if you not gonna take on this because you all remove your eyes, you know. Because me, I talk of one video, I can never stress myself, come by. because say I born, then the stupid and useless man will be out there sleeping with different women, going around and flexing. You say, na my pikin na my pikin na. You are killing yourself by yourself. Did you know that everybody have your own life to live? Our mama get there, don't live their own life. Also we too, we still have our own life to live. Also the pikin when we still born still get their own life to live. So if you don't live your life, this life don't have duplicates. Now only one life. So don't let any stupid and useless man come use you, because we have seen many when it be say they come abroad way back. When it be say men use. See, tomorrow men still use this on women. Man not carry you come abroad. Even if na man carry you come abroad, now man they carry woman come. The man when say maybe they come abroad for enough he come. Many men in this Europe, they have kids back home. They come, they leave their wife for us, and they come here, they struggle, because they give their wife and pikin. That are sweet and beautiful, good men. Not men that will sit and lazy. He have property or a father property or a family property to sell, to come to Europe and struggle as a man for his wife and children. No, they will sit back home. They say, go do a shower now. Your mate, no be a shower as this useless man was saying to me. Your mate not be a shower that they do for them. You will not really leave your man, you mate here. I want you come out. I pity you now. I pity you now. You do, they will talk. You not do, they will talk. Of which people when be say that people when not waiting me, they talk for Bogo, they see get family or picking for us. They know my what I'm talking about. There is no how you will give them. They will still tell you don't give. So the best is sit down and plan your life. Because all of them do a shower, I not do. I know they do. Because even when I'm in Nigeria, I make you see some women for, but many now has for start a shower. Like this it was so. She started a shower for Lagos and this time Sabah. She and one girl called us as my papa wife that time. My papa wife, the second daughter, the third daughter. Now she and it was the go Lagos go they do a shower. It was Sarah Boss name TV for life. Come outside and you can't use your life this way. They go to Lagos, sometimes they spend 2 weeks, sometimes they spend 3 weeks to go do a shower for Lagos. Me, I not do. When I there for Nigeria, I not do. Before I see come here, I not do. Talkers I can't see man when still take me for who I am. I can't say, because I do this so. When be say not be evil, the man say, Papa land, take carry me comes. Okay, this land I sell am more, I sell my pass, so they go. If you reach there, do like this, so. Or now the stupid and useless sisters say, we see your condition, you dey suffer, bear more gather and carry you come. Now they can't do and so me not can follow their instruction. You see some useless people. I'm outside and a different person just help me. So nobody have say in my life. If I like anyhow I like now, where are y'all like I they live my life so everybody have a life. My kids when I born for here now, the man they help me. I show on a video which day for here 3 days ago, yeah, on Friday. Yeah, she was in day afternoon duty. Now morning they do ever since. So when he got out of town, they say on Friday he want rest. He be no want come, but because okay he go do afternoon. Now me and I carry pikin go school, so come on for them, we go do small shopping. Yes, I can never struggle my because of children, because I know that some women in this world, because of benefits, will not share anything. You want to kill yourself. You know what many women when they sick for this abroad. Many women get high BP, high blood pressure. Many women get sickness. Many women they sick for body. Not only maybe carry HIV or 1 or 2 things, because of the stress they have put themselves, because of say I'm a mother, now me born. No. We don't need to give those men that space. Man, if you know you are not ready to settle down, let's take out the children together. Not pregnant woman. Our women, this is time for you guys to wise up. If man can't give you belly, can't run, come out, and they go say, now you be woman, take her and pick it. See, I they talk her. If na anywhere the juju strong reach, if I not see money to pay, I go use my TOT to pay that babalawo. Those children go become not born for life, because me I not fit train pikin for man. Bano. The one I fed do I not get belle mommy. As I still do rich, I made the one day I dey tell am. As I still do rich for the one day, as when I come my brother, when I knew enter, no as I think they give them money. So take it, piece I go back, go they collect the money for our last born hand. I know how much I don't spend. Still here they say I don't do anything. So please, don't kill yourself for anybody. Those children must definitely live. Just only try your possible best. Try your possible best. So, and so you when they give person, you not get achievement, you not get a plan, you not even get say this money when you they get. So because I wonder our women for abroad. Not by say I dey abroad, I dey get money. You not get one plan. You not get anything. Say okay, back home something whatever. If now come as I tell you not that, so people say that I dey get money now, I dey do this one now. You when time come, you can't talk what you use your life for. Plan your life. Any amount to get, plan your life. Now business do. If na go back home, do research, find people when go help you organize. That's me. This one I know how many me. I know they rake. Me raw, me data, oti. Well, I got 7 times don't reach. I go show now. My name 90. Yes, my name 90. So I want that way. At the help. All those family that will wreck you down. At the end, they will still be the one to laugh you. For you to laugh me, that small money when you say me not give you, so I'll use and do better thing first. Because you when they give, you not plan your life. Tomorrow when it fall upon your head, now the fact do you know? Even the pikin, the fact do you know? They say useless mother. You there abroad, do a shower. After do a shower, reach what you use your life. So maybe you be not do a shower. You be they struggle 1 or 2 ways to get money to help them. At the end, those children will be the one to laugh you. At the end, the family, the father, the mother, the papa, the sister, they will be the one to say, I beg you, now you come frustration. Now you won't put your frustration for my body. I beg go not put your frustration for my body. Oh, that time this say you talk say you know they give us money. You self they do you. We go fly come abroad, come beat you. You see, music don't change. Yeah, many women, many people when be say when they come abroad, they do a shower when they make money. They know what I'm talking about. Many today is nowhere to be found except those who get sense that time. Now they know the right thing to do at the right time. I see many people are still falling victim. You will see a good man that will come your way say let's settle life, plan life together. You say no, I they do a shower. Or to your toto go don't fight. If your toto don't fight, go see one get that the toto they roti. If toto they roti after the toto don't fight, don't they smell, don't turn well that time. Like, can't shop my money. Why they don't go shop your money? Ask me then and I man want chop my money. Ask me just there now. Now man want eat my money. When you go enter there, go make brewo. When you go enter there before cassava go enter, say that place go not be bad. You born pikin TOT they expand. Many people when no go talk that one for another place. Not be by you born, not be TOT they expand. Now what people don't know be that. Not be by you born. If you like born how many 30 something one woman did that time now. Acro woman, one Robo woman we born 2 dozen. Not be by you born your TOT go take wide. It's by when you are sleeping with different men every day. They do different cassava. How many cassava go they enter your TOT every day? At the end, fine say if you come, if you do small, but when you see man, you boy, you see husband, you settle down, you good. But not be some. See the then again and see what they don't get up people want to talk this evening. So Mona join me, my beautiful people. So I get many things to tell our women out there. This life not get partner. The one when you all live for this life, when you all enjoy for your belly and your dressing and your looking good. Now it be your honor. If you fall because of pikin, you die. That children will get their life to live. Now they see for women go born that they will born the pikin finish. The woman go die. The pikin go there alive. He dey live. He's living. Many now let God know how that pikin go take live. But now he go become big person tomorrow. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean. Now let me tell you, say before we grow each other, we not even they see foam sleep. When I can come abroad, if you see some children from abroad, go they reason say pikin in the Africa go even sweet and fine pass it. Don't make go. All those ones say man until they talk. So this message is for Lolo follower. This message is for Lolo follower and the useless and shameless follower shower when they carry up. I not be a shower. I not do no crow. Me, I'm me one man squad and 2. When I like person, Monica not be my enemy. Monica is my mommy, now my real friend, now my real friend, now my mommy, now my heart. I tell the follow. God, the ever see my heart. Now my heart, I tell the follower. Because Monica is a person, she don't poke nose on anybody matter. She don't say, I beg, go snap this one, or call the fine background. No. Since I be Monica, I've never come in one day, help me to do this or help me to. No. Let's say the truth and say the truth for the way the truth. The Monica don't have that time. Monica get here to call the pork nose on your matter. No, it's not possible. It's not done. Monica don't have that time. Now what make me like her? If you don't carry matter, go give Monica, or you find Monica trouble. Monica not the carry the come for you. When me know they talk to Monica that time, Monica don't near me now. But I don't know where Google kin. I don't know carry my video, go carry for my page. Right time put because they insult him mama. Or go rag bijou lolo. And all those who useless for and God I go punish all of them. Who know they fear? Add me with your name. You call me for Facebook or call me for my WhatsApp with your real number. If Lolo no found that one when they spend today, your number will be on her. When it dey France, when it writes me rubbish. See, who know they fear? None of us know they fear Vera. If you not say your mama, your papa born you one, know they fear. Don't come with fake accounts now. Come with your real face as I show my real face. So, wait till I go use one your useless children, your useless your papa, your useless your mama. Wait till I go use one. I take see. Una see as love like you take the deal with, and as I take deal with you, you enter 0%. As I saw those people, lolo must enter 0%. Nothing next year go lolo. So for una to get say when you do me that way, I never get fans that time. I don't girl believe me, I not girl they follow, but now I have. So I have the time now to deal with anybody that fucking comes my way. I'll blast you, your head go correct. So now, so my beautiful people, this message is for Lolo followers, Alolekia followers, and 2 is going to Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, please try to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV. I'm gonna give you now we women, because many women we women know we have fish brain, but their brain not they go like that. Not let any man back home use you. We don't know when it take come and bro. Many of our women, when this man take happen, when that man want they use, many women say this kind of thing does still happen to them. You don't know when they take enter abroad, but every time money, the children when they give money, they know they send for their body. Go and go to say me are they crazy? When I know they do a shower, when I know they walk, one person walk up pull load when I not fit. No, not fit take up because why they give woman belly to born? You mad? So I get many things to tell to educate our women, to enlighten our women. One another for victim, not saying now my pikin. So far now your pikin. Not go kill yourself because getting up, taking care of children, go to school is not, especially abroad. Bongo, you will see